Could you please provide a brief introduction to your company?
Calpak is one of the leaders of solar thermal industry in Europe. We established the company back in 1975, at that time as a subsidiary of British Petroleum. It was the first company actually to manage to develop the solar thermophonic system to a level that it could become commercially successful. Today we have invested a lot in high technology. We have invested a lot in the talent of our people, and also we have very strong exports.
What differentiates your company from competitors in the solar thermal market?
I would say it is our deep commitment to research and development and our culture of innovation. We invest heavily in R&D because we believe there is untapped potential for our sector. At Calpak, we like doing things differently. We explore new raw material, new designs, new concepts in order to force and explore the boundaries of our technology. This mindset allows us to develop solutions ready to meet the demands of an everly developing and evolving energy transition.
Any feedback on recent regulatory developments and how they influence your business?
Recent European developments, especially those linked to the European Green Deal, such as the Fit for 55 package, are in the right direction to strengthen energy security in Europe and enhance the European effort to make energy transition. However, renewable heating needs greater visibility in policy frameworks, as it is often overlooked against electrification technologies, many of which are largely manufactured in Asia. Recognizing the importance of solar thermal technology as a European technology and as a European industry will certainly enhance the deployment of solar thermal across Europe.
What calls would you like to make to EU and national policymakers?
They should place renewable heat at the center of Europe's energy strategy. Heating accounts for more than half of the energy consumption in Europe. It cannot remain an afterthought. Furthermore, support mechanisms should remain truly technologically neutral so that efficient solutions like solar thermal can compete on a fair basis. Today, technologies such as photovoltaic panels and heat pumps are heavily subsidized in Europe, although manufactured in China. This tilts the competitive landscape against European industries. Enhancing Europe-made clean technologies not only will enable Europe to achieve its climatic targets, but will also enhance energy security and industrial sovereignty. Europe should not replace its dependence on fossil fuels with dependence on imported clean technologies from China. In 2025 alone, the trade deficit between China and the European Union hit a negative record of 360 billion euros. This is an elephant in the room that nobody speaks about and needs to be addressed very soon.
What are the main challenges in sourcing components or raw materials?
Supply chain volatility has been a great challenge for us in recent years. Fluctuations and swings in prices, especially in the metals like copper and aluminum, have been very big. Companies like Calpak that produce end products become the rocks on which inflation waves crash. We cannot just pass on to our clients these increases, we have to somehow absorb them. But there is also a deeper, more structural problem. Instruments like CBAM or anti-dumping measures are meant to protect a small number of European raw material producers, while on the same time they leave end product manufacturers like us exposed to unfair competition. Our Chinese competitors get to have access to very cheap subsidized raw material in their home country, while on the same time they are free to export their cheap products in Europe, and on top of that claim European subsidies for end products. This way they have their products subsidized 2 times, whereas European manufacturers are left competing with one hand tied behind their back. If trade protection measures must be applied, they have to be applied in both ends of the value chain, both in raw materials and the end products. Otherwise, European industry will remain at a structural disadvantage.
What role does automation play in your manufacturing process?
Automation is central to achieving precision and accuracy in every stage of our manufacturing process. We can ensure high quality and high productivity with the widespread use of automation. In fact, we are the only company in our sector operating roughly 1 industrial robot for every 4 workers in our production facilities. That level of investment in advanced manufacturing is unique in our sector. For us, automation and people are not an either-or choice. Automation improves efficiency and precision, while it is our people that bring the expertise and creativity that drive innovation. This combination strengthens our competitiveness, but also creates a more meaningful work and greater job satisfaction for our people.
How do you ensure product efficiency and long-term performance?
High efficiency and durability have always been the cornerstones of our product development and design. From the very beginning, we tried to optimize collector performance and heat transfer efficiency. But this is not enough to deliver to our clients the best possible product. It takes high quality raw material, robust production processes, and rigorous testing to bring the desired result. Durability and efficiency are not accidental. They are engineered, tested, and built into every system we deliver to our clients.
How do you see the future of the sector?
The outlook for solar thermal is very promising, given it is one of the most efficient ways to decarbonize consumption and enhance the energy security of Europe. It is a cost-effective, reliable, and mature technology that can deliver results at a very large scale immediately. Why would someone prefer to install in his house a Chinese photovoltaic collector with an efficiency rate of 15% rather than a European solar thermal collector with efficiency of 60%, that is 4 times more? Given that, and together with the growing demand for clean energy, I believe that we do have a bright future.